In India, there is a guy that only wears red and white. I kid you not, everything he has is red and white. Red and white. Who is this guy and why is he so obsessed? In the busy streets of Bangalore, India, we saw a house that stood out from the rest. It had two colors only, red and white. So we went there, knocked on the door, and finally saw Seven.
Hi, my name is Seven. Welcome to my red and white house.
When you step into Seven's house, it's like stepping into another world. He basically took his favorite colors, red and white, and put it on everything he owns. Like
My wardrobe, my pants, my sofa, my car, my clock, my carpet, my bed, my towel, my plates, my kitchen.
even his matchbox or his toothpaste have to be in red and white. If the object has any different color, then he will not buy it. And when Seven goes to the store and he sees something that's red and white, he just has to buy it. He's that obsessed. Even his family is called the Red and White family because his wife and kids, they all got into the same color obsession.
When I got married to him, it was something new for me. Later on, I understood his passion for red and white and I stood by him.
You might ask, when did all of this start?
When I started my career, I decided to be a unique person in the world. I used to wear only white shirts, added red tie. People started recognizing me. Then I decided to wear only red and white.
Yes, all to stand out from the crowd. And color is not the only thing he uses to make himself special. It's also the number 7.
My real name is number 7 because I am the 7th son in my family.
Seven fell in love with his name so much that he took it to the next level. That's why his jacket has 7 buttons, his pants have 7 pockets, his phone is number 7, his car is number 7, and he even speaks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 languages just to keep the magic number.
Hello, Namaste, Namaskara, Namaskarmana, Vanakkam, Namaskarmo, Namaskar.
And so far, Seven has succeeded because in his city, he became a celebrity. Now he's a successful real estate businessman as well as a film producer and actor.
I always wanted to do the villain role in Indian films and I did it.
This guy may be weird, but he achieved his mission. He stood out from the crowd with his numbers and his colors. In that case, good job to Seven. YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice, and with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. NAS Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there is real people from the NAS Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do. Give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And NAS Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.